Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create an aesthetic nighttime city photo in Gemini. This is the prompt I will be using, and I'm just going to put in this image here. Then I'm just going to press submit. I will put the prompt in the description box down below. There are a lot of these that I've done, and I really like generating so far. I'm not the biggest fan still of AI recreating art maybe, but I really like to look at myself in these photographies. Obviously this is not me, but this is what it should look like. Super cute. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.